Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Expo testing with Jest and React Native testing library, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have Node.js and Expo CLI installed on your machine. Create a new Expo project using the command npx create expo app myapp. Navigate into your project directory with cd myapp. Install Jest in the React Native testing library by running the command npm install savedev jest at testing library/React Native. Next, set up Jest configuration in your package.json. Add a new section called Jest in your package.json. Inside the Jest section, include the following configuration: preset, React Native, transform, $.plus \\.js, Babel Jest, test path ignore patterns, root dr/node_modules/ setup files after env, at testing library/React Native/ create a new folder named __tests__ in the root of the project. Inside the __tests__ folder, create a file named jest.setup.js. In the jest.setup.js file, you can set up any global configurations for Jest. Next, let's write a simple component to test. Create a new folder named components in the root directory of your project. Inside the components folder, create a file named hello.js. In hello.js, write a functional component that displays a greeting message. Make sure to export the component at the end of the file. Now, we will write a test for this component. In the __tests__ folder, create a new file named hello.test.js. Import necessary modules at the top of the hello.test.js file. Use import render from at testing library/React Native and your hello component. Write a test case using the test function. Inside the test case, use the render function to render the hello component. Use getByText to find the greeting message within the rendered output. Finally, use a Jest assertion to check that the greeting message appears correctly. Now, run your tests by executing the command npm test. You should see the results of your tests in the terminal. If everything is set up correctly, your tests should pass without issues. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Expo testing with Jest and React Native testing library. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.